Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Today I'm showing you a queen size bed, and this is in teak finish, teak wood and matte vinyl finishing. When we talk about queen size, the size is 60 inches left to right, 5 feet, and 78 inches from front to back. 75 inches is also available in queen size, but that you have to tell us you are using 75 inches mattress or 78 inches, because both sizes are available in queen size. Now talking about the height of this back, the height is 63 inches, so a little more than 5 feet. And the front part of this is the unique part about this bed. Front part is a higher design as compared to other models. Now, if you look at the front part of this unit, this is 42 inches higher, 3.5 feet high. So once you have a mattress in place and you look from both sides, you are getting enough area, a cushion area on both sides. So back as well as front. So mattress will come till this height, and this portion is outside the mattress. In poster beds or canopy beds, mostly we have this kind of concept where you have 4 posters on all sides. This is, you can say, a kind of poster bed without posters, but the basic concept is same as poster beds. Another thing about this one is the quilting part at the back. This is a blend of the contemporary look with the classical design, and this is a very good thing to have a back support when you sit on a bed. This gives a comfortable feeling when you have quilting or cushion at the back of the unit. In beds, cots, we have so many designs. I have shown you more than 50 designs on YouTube so far, all in actual photos and videos. And more stuff is on the website. There's so many designs. It is as per the liking. Whichever you like, we make that for you. Another thing I like to talk about is the storage part. This one is without storage. Now the reason being, if you look it from the front, here you can see how raised the platform, this area is from the ground. Now if you go for storage in this type of unit, the storage would be very clearly visible from here. And that doesn't give you a very beautiful look that you want in such type of units. Because once the storage is available, this area, this curved part, the design would be less visible from the front. So in such type of units where you have raised the front part, storage doesn't work. Another thing about this unit is the side length. You can see a nice carving work on the side as well. So from all the sides you see the unit, you have some carving work, and once you have the cushion and the bed sheet in place, it will look very beautiful at your place. This one is in teak finish. You want any other color, you want it in silver, you want it in gold, or you want it in dark walnut or walnut, any other color, let us know. White also, off-white also, with highlighting also, we'll do that for you. The work is in front of you, the nice work of carving, all hand carved, quality of arson. Don't have the side tables for this one because the client didn't need one, so we haven't created the side tables. Rest, if you want any changes, you want the same design in king size, we can do that for you. You want it in super king size, that can be done. Any changes to the color or the fabrics, let us know. Any part of India you want the delivery, let us know, we'll do that for you. For pricing, you can contact us, we'll be happy to serve you. A few comments, I would be happy if you can post and let us know how we are doing. Thank you so much.